I'm Jody Kramer.
And we are really pumped about tonight. We're really excited because we've been doing really good. We've been out there grinding. Our football players have been doing their best. Coach Marsh has really came in and turned our football program around. And I'm really excited for tonight because I know that we can do this and we're going to do this.
Yeah, we definitely have the capability to win tonight. We are 7-1 in the region, so I'm pretty sure, if we would have won over Benedictine, we would have been undefeated. So I think we can take them tonight.
What has been happening at school this week?
We've had dress-up days, stuff like Beach Day, Throwback Thursday, and today we had a really awesome pep rally, and everybody was involved. And it's just a community thing. It's a rival game, and it's tradition.
Devoria, what are the cheerleaders going to do tonight to help the Bulldogs win the game?
We're going to just come out here and we're going to be as peppy as we can be, and we're going to cheer them on to help them out in this game.
Give them a little cheer if you don't mind.
Oh, okay. B-E-A-T-B. Those.
All right, Petros, it's almost time for the big game. What are you thinking?
Go Indians, that's all I say.
What's going to happen tonight, Petros?
I'm not going to give no prediction.
How many of these games have you been to, Petros?
Well, the last 48 years, I've been to 47 of them.
Wow. Pretty good record there, sir.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy this one.
Okay.
Where's your seat?
Right up there.
I'm going to follow you to your seat. Go ahead.
Excuse me.
The legendary Petros going to his seat. Here he is, the Native American.
Go Indians. The V can't be stopped.
You want to say anything?
Come shop at Paul D. Pim Chevrolet. Get you a new ride. Come on, do some bids. Everybody else is.
All right, Shay, what's going to happen tonight?
I'm disappointed. That's it. The team. I'm gonna tell you what to do after halftime. Don't tell them first game. They better do something. Play some hard defense on these boys. They play hard. Play their game tonight.
What are you doing?
Fit up water for them.
Just good water? Cold water?
Yes, sir.
Tasty water?
Yes, sir.
Keep them refreshed.
I'm about to.
Ready to roll tonight. Ready to roll. That's why I get stressed. Yeah. All night. Is them your brothers?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, don't wear.
All night, baby. Go Dogs.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. All night, all night. Break your stars. Break your stars. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We who was, it don't matter. Name was faces opponent. Name was faces opponent. Name was faces opponent. Hey, baby. It's just another game, baby. Let's go. Just another game. Hey, we more hype than Monday practice than this. Listen to me. Hey, lock it out. We're tunnel vision right here between these white lines. Take care of your job. 11 men doing your job. You understand? Yes, sir. Hey, we're special, man. We're special, especially on special teams. Special on 2. 1, 2. Special. Wow, let's go. This is what we do. Hey, we're gonna eat all night, buddy. We're gonna eat all night. Hey. Let's go! Let's get it, baby! Let's get it, yo!
Well, this is going to be a 50-yarder from straight ahead with 26.7 seconds to go. He kicked a 45-yarder at the end of the first half in 2015, and he drills this one, and it is good! Rick Tanoco from 50 yards. His longest career field goal. What a shot. Man, oh man, he's done it again. In 2015, right before half, he kicked a 45-yarder, and tonight, 50. That's got to be a Toombs County record.